शुक्रारा परवरे कार्निवालाचो कर्टन रेजर जालो 10 ते 13 फेब्रुवारी गोंयभर किंग मोमोचो राज्य सुरू जातले। खायात पियात मजा करा असो संदेश ह्या वेळार किंग मोमो हांणी दिलो।
म्हाका दिसता the festivities have started and it is a time when King Momo presides for the next 4 days. आमचो ह्या वर्सा King Momo Clive Gracious from Kinchinny आयला and I think he has spoken about how things were for him as he wanted to be King Momo ambitiously. सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार सगळ्या गोंयकाराच्या रक्ताक काळजांत टॅलंट आसा, ताचे भितर आपले कल्चर ट्रेडिशनाचो वाव आसा आनी फुडें व्हरपाक ते चालीक वता. They try to ensure that they find a space to only not show their talent but also take Goa by their pride. आणि ताच्या खातीर आज आमी एक गोंयकारपण सांबाळटा आसतना festivities play a major role in ensuring that we preserve our culture, our heritage, our tradition.